Hi everyone, I'm here with the new paper craft decoration idea. How beautiful is this? It's so simple to make even though it looks really complicated. I think that this paper decoration is perfect for embellishing the walls in your bedroom for a more interesting design, or you could use it as a background for your YouTube videos, or even more exciting, this decoration is great for parties and baby showers. So if you are as excited as me, keep watching for the complete tutorial. The materials you'll need are paper. You can use construction paper or you can recycle old papers. I'm recycling my old school papers and tests. Also, you'll need a stapler, scissors, ruler, pencil, and a paper clip. The first thing you have to do is cut the papers into 1.5-inch strips. Then make a loop and use a paper clip to hold it in place as you make more loops of different sizes and colors. After that, remove the paper clip and staple the loops to the spine of the decoration, and the spine is just a single paper strips, and continue making loops and stapling them onto the spine. To make the decoration longer, just attach another paper strip to the previous one and continue with your design. When you're finished, you can attach string to the ends and hang the decorations vertically or horizontally. How easy was that? I just can't believe how pretty this decoration is, and the best thing is that it's super inexpensive to make and you're recycling old paper into something so beautiful and useful. I hope you liked this project and let me know what you think in the comments below. And please subscribe, share, thumbs up this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time!